I am going to show you how to switch between the sharing and privacy settings on your Google Collections inside of your Google app. Let's open up the Google app by going into your app library and selecting the Google app. If you are using a Pixel phone like I am, you can also open the Google app by selecting the Google symbol at the left of your Google search bar on the bottom of your home screen. Now that we are in the Google app, select the saved icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Let's switch a private collection to a shared collection, so let's choose Watch List. Select the Share button. Flip the switch to turn on sharing for this collection. You can choose a link to share with others, or you can choose to let other people contribute to this collection. You can select Continue to move forward. Let's go back to the Saved menu and select a collection that is already being shared. So let's choose Favorite Images. Select the avatar at the top center of this collection. Switch off sharing. You will be prompted asking if you want to turn off sharing for this collection. Select Turn Off Sharing. This collection is no longer shared and is now a private collection. And that's it, my brothers and sisters. Google Collections are here to stay, so make sure to protect your privacy and enjoy your sharing.